Hi, my name is Patricia Regier. I am hopping on to show you a follow-up video related to the autoplay video that I'll link here as well, because there's a couple more details that will be helpful for you. And if you stay to the very end, there's a bonus tip too. I did set it up with the trailer on my YouTube channel, and I tested it on another browser, and it didn't just play automatically because I set it up in the tutorial that I'll link here. But you might still find when you go on to my channel or someone else's channel that videos are playing automatically. And if you don't have earphones in, earbuds, and you're in a public place, you might not want that to happen. So let me show you how you have control as well on this particular detail. When I click on the title here right beside the video, because it's the trailer, right here, this autoplay is off, is turned off for this video. When you're watching videos and you have it in this larger space here and it's open and you're seeing the description underneath, over to the right beside the closed captioning, this is where you'll find the autoplay options for your own settings as well. So this is another way that you can control if videos are playing automatically when you're going on to any channel. You can take a look at that and see if that helps as well. Thanks for watching this. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Education Incorporated, helping you create engaging learning experiences online and turn an audience into participants. One additional tip: when you are on your phone and you're playing videos, you might not see it the same way as what I've just shown you on the computer. So the video that I am going to link here, when I pause the video and tap, that is when I'm going to see that symbol that I demonstrated on a laptop or desktop. On your phone or handheld device, you'll have to tap around the video in order to see that pause option to not have the autoplay. Hope this additional tip was helpful as well.